Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of ocean waves, golden sunlight streaming through lush palm trees. Welcome to Bali, a slice of heaven on earth. Plunge into crystal-clear infinity pools perched atop cliffs and marvel at breathtaking sunsets painting the horizon. Sample freshly prepared nasi goreng or Balinese satay, bursting with tropical flavors. Explore centuries-old temples like the majestic Uluwatu overlooking the sea. Feeling adventurous? Dive into the underwater paradise of Nusa Penida with its vibrant coral reefs and exotic marine life. Bali truly has it all: luxury, culture, and untouched natural beauty. Pro tip: visit in May for the best weather and fewer crowds. Ready to escape? Pack your bags and step into your own dream. Don't just dream it, live it. Subscribe now to Destination Travel for more hidden gems that will leave you breathless. Where should we travel next? Tell us your dream destination below.